Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're playing the Upside Down Challenge game and I'm back with my mommy and daddy.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Sides, we confused you, sorry.
So how the game works, so we have a lot of stuff and if you look through these, it's going to be upside down.
So the Upside Down Challenge comes with the, with these glasses. And
if we are upside down, then we fall that way.
Yeah, so you put these glasses on and you try to do all the challenges that are with the game.
Oh,
with
can
these
I
on.
wait for a second?
Sure.
So,
You start
this is going to be difficult, so I have to tell everyone.
Yeah, tell everyone the steps.
So, first one, as you have to try to peel a banana.
It's the first challenge.
The second challenge is you have to pull the Mr. Potato Head, you have to try to build it.
It actually comes with cards that tells you what the challenges do.
You have to try to pour water into a cup to cup. Try to do this to the ping pong.
Ooh,
I got it.
good job, wow. To draw a picture.
That's going to be so hard. And we have to shuffle. I'm a very good shuffler, so Daddy won't try to kill.
So
Okay,
when you put these glasses on, everything's upside down. So
Okay,
that's what
right?
she's trying to say.
Try. Oh.
Okay,
Try.
so real quick, it comes with the cards.
Is
It tells you
everything
what the
upside down?
Why, yes it is.
It tells you what the challenges should be, but because there's also create your own challenges, like Makayla was saying. So,
I cracked the banana.
And these are pretty durable.
okay, so who wants to go first?
The youngest.
Me!
Okay, Makayla will go first. So do you?
Hold on, I have to try to take my handband off.
Okay, so let's take off. So go ahead and pick a card. What are you gonna?
Create your own challenge and share with
The team.
it the hashtag.
Hashtag
What?
dad jokes.
Okay.
Okay, here. Let me make you. So it says to make 4 dots and number them. I just made dots for her to connect.
Okay, here, try this. See if
No
that's
cheating, no cheating.
Is that okay?
Yep.
You sure?
Okay, ready? It says 30 seconds.
Okay,
but-
here we go.
Ready.
Hold on,
set.
You gotta go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Ready? Set.
No.
Cheating.
Cheating. Okay, go. No.
Ready? Set.
Cheating.
Go. 1.
Keep going. Keep going.
Because you're upside down.
Keep going.
It's too big for her little face.
Keep going. Oh, she's got my memory. Amazing. She did a really good job, guys.
What's yours?
Draw a tree.
Cheater.
Okay, so
what color do you want?
Okay, give me any pen because I'm the best artist anyway.
How come Dad doesn't even look when he doesn't have the glasses on? They're wrong.
Hey, ow, you almost ripped my eyes out. I can have any eyes to draw. Oh, these are better. Now I could really see good. Okay, can I have a...
Wait, hold on. Here. Yeah, here.
Okay, so what you gotta do... Wait, where's the marker? Oh. Okay, so what you gotta do is...
Just draw the tree. Yep.
Hold on.
Second.
Hold on, let me fill out where I'm at. Okay.
1, 2.
Okay, here we go.
Can't see. What kind of tree are you drawing?
This is a Western... Do we know that? Oh, no, wait. This is a... Oh, man. Oh, this is hard. I can't even do a loop-de-loop. Okay, stop. Okay.
Okay. 30 seconds are up. Wait, what's this squiggly stuff over here?
Okay, so this is moss. Monster.
Oh no.
It's really hard.
First, we have to do our own challenge. We have to do.
Okay, I'll have to pick a card.
This is like the upside down.
And we have to do our own challenge.
Touch elbows with the player to your right.
Okay.
I don't have anyone to my right. So
To your left. Okay, but don't get too close to mom right there.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Is this my right?
Hold on. Right there.
That's it.
What do you do? Pop lock it? mommy come to you. Don't move. Yeah.
I don't want to get her face.
Yeah. Yeah, good job.
Mommy gets 1 point, we get 0 points.
It's okay.
There's points.
It's hard, huh? It's hard.
Okay.
Why is the word fun?
Ooh, that's
You want to pick something else? Pick something else.
No,
if you
I'm
want.
gonna try.
You're gonna try
Hey,
it.
good job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Write the word fun.
I don't know.
You're doing good. Come on. Oh.
I can't.
Try again. Keep going. Oh, you're sneaky.
No cheating.
What am I got?
That is so bad.
It looks like no, because it looks like a different word. We have to bleep this.
Yeah.
We have to bleep this word out.
Daddy's turn.
Okay, I'm gonna try to build a Mr. Potato Head.
Okay.
Okay,
The
so
boy one or the girl?
don't matter. Okay, so give me the parts. Okay, right
You
there.
already have the parts.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna try to build this Mr. Potato Head with the upside down. Wish me
Is it
luck.
upside down?
Yes.
Ready, set, go.
Using my filler ability.
What?
Mm.
Oh, yeah, perfect. That's great.
Done. Mom, want mom to try to build this one? Let mom do that.
Okay, Mommy, we'll do the
Mom's
girl.
challenge.
Okay. Okay.
That was hilarious.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
Okay, here we go. Mom's going. Look, mom got
I
it.
can't even see.
You gotta open your eyes.
I can't.
Oh. Whoa. Let me see.
Am I done?
That's it.
It's supposed to crumple up a piece of paper into a ball, then have another.
Oh, catch it.
Gladly toss it.
Okay.
Okay, how about this? How about I go off screen and I'll throw a couple of papers to both of you. Okay. Here goes number 1. Here, are you ready, player? 1. Here goes, here, up, look up. Right there. Okay, hold on. 2. Hold on. Two more. Okay, go. Ready?
We're gonna do T2 after. Almost. Last one.
Here, last one.
Last one.
Okay, mom's turn. Come with
My
me.
turn and then Daddy.
Come with me.
Daddy's turn.
Wanna toss them to mom?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. Okay, guys, Makayla's gonna be doing the tossing. Okay, wait for mom. You can throw them like this. I'm trying to throw them. Wait. Not hard, not fast. And mom's ready.
Okay.
Go. 1. Okay. 2.
Was that you? Daddy.
One more. Okay, last one's coming your way.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy's turn.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here we go.
2.
Are you sure you're throwing them?
Last one.
No, you guys go. No. Hey. Okay.
There's water in that.
No. Okay, stop. Okay. No, come on. No, you're not hungry. They throw bricks and man, scissors and they're throwing all kinds of stuff at me. All right, guys.
Here.
That was actually the modified game we invented.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another upside down challenge game Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. And if you want to see any more educational videos, just go on Makayla's Playground on YouTube. Click here to subscribe. And don't forget to get involved.
Bye guys, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
And stay healthy too. Get the ball.
What am I doing? Just sitting here?
Yeah, just okay.
Let me see your face. Come on. Right.